Yo, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon. Welcome back to a new week here in February, man. And I got something to share with you guys, man. Listen, I'm not gonna keep you long, guys, but I just wanted you guys to know your boy book is out for sale right now, man, on Amazon and on my website, man. My book is finally here, man. It took almost 2 years, as you know, to create this book, man. This is my first book. It's absolutely amazing. I am so happy about this book. Let me tell you a little bit about the book. The name of my book is called Portrait Photography and the Effective Use of Flash, man. This is just basically my overview and my journey as a photographer, just telling you a few things about what I've learned from doing photography, some areas that I hit on, some things that I think is super important. Everything in there from how to work with models, working with models, to the type of flashes that you bring, the type of flashes that you use, the type of equipment that is going to help you throughout your photography, and then a lot of other areas, man. I really want you guys to check it out. I am so proud of it, man. It has a lot of my models in here. I go through the table of contents real quick. From the introduction, it gives you an overview, understanding portrait photography, and I kind of break down for you flash photography essentials, some crazy amount of things that I've noticed that I've needed since being a photographer that I definitely wanted to share with you guys. Studio versus on location photography, something that you guys know I am really big on, because there is a difference between shooting in the studio and shooting outside. All right, totally big difference. So I wanted to give you my overview about some advantages and disadvantages of both of those, some things that you can do to enhance your photography, enhance your portraits, and I go through that as well. And then the last section is about posing and directing your models and what it really means to be the creative director of your shoot. Man, the book is absolutely amazing. You're going to get some vibrant, amazing pictures in here from my models, from all of my shoots. Every picture in here besides one is all of my models and all of my work. I am so happy, man. The book is here, dog. There it is. There it is right there. Look at that. We got my model Saranya on the cover here. As you guys know, man, a lot of you guys really love this shoot that we did. So, in the cover, it really made for a great book cover. Like, I saw it, I was like, yo, that is a book cover all day. So here it is right here. Here is the back of the book. Basically goes over it and myself. And man, let me tell you, man, it just feels like it's been such a long time coming. I always tell you guys, I feel like I'm the hardest working photographer out there. But between being active duty, going on deployments for 7-8.5 months long, trying to come back, trying to put my footing back into photography, trying to be a content creator. I mean, think about all the things that I have to restart and relearn, and then I got to go back on deployment, come back, and then in the midst of this, I'm writing a book through all of this, and then through all of that, I'm also trying to develop my company with the Black Dish. I'm meant to tell you guys, I wouldn't have it any other way. I'm proud, man. I am so, like, holding it in my hand, I am so proud. So let me give you guys a little bit about how to get the book and where you can get it from and why, okay? So the book, basically, it's a hardback. All right, this is not a paperback. All right, I wanted my first book just like the Black Dish. I wanted my first book to be nice, elegant. I wanted the material, everything. I wanted to be something like you can really hold in your hand and read and just feel good about it. You know what I'm saying? So I basically spent the extra money to get the hardback. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about it. It is on Amazon right now. If you have Kindle or Amazon or whatever, you can get it off of Amazon right now. You can get the ebook. All right, I chose to do the ebook, so you can get the electronic copy. All right, so if you have a iPad or a phone or something and you like to read your books electronically, you can do that as well. You can go over to Amazon right now, pick up the ebook, or you can buy the hardback on Amazon. I will also tell you, this book has been out for about a week or so now, and it is the #1 hottest selling book in flash photography right now on Amazon. I am super proud of that, because a lot of people have been getting it and they've been liking it, and just my view as a photographer and being in the industry, about some of the things shooting inside and outside, not just inside, but all around. A lot of people have really liked my perspective on what I say in this book, man. And these are my words. I'm so happy. All right, but anyway, but you can get the electronic and you can get the hardback on Amazon now. I also ordered around 40 copies of the book myself to put on my website. Now here's the difference, okay? If you go to my website and buy it, okay, I can personally sign it. All right, I ordered 40 copies of the copies will be here at the end of February. All right, so when I get all the copies and everybody who's bought it on my website right now, everybody will get a autographed signed copy of my book to you. I can also address it to somebody, or if you wanted me to address it to yourself or to somebody else, if you're a model out there, or if you're just a person that knows a photographer and you want to buy this book and you want me to send it to them and address it to them, you can do that on my website, okay? Other than that, you will just get a signature copy of my book if you buy it from my website. Again, don't ask me when the book is gonna come. I don't get the books here until around February, the end of February. If you buy it on Amazon, yeah, you can get it like today or in 2 days, whatever. But I can't personally sign anything that is on Amazon if you buy it off of Amazon, of course, because I don't have physical hands on it. And I really wanted to sign the book and really show appreciation to everybody who has supported me through my journey as a photographer and what we are doing. All right, so again, go to my website, www.brandoncolephotos.com. You can order your book, pre-order it now. It comes at the end of February. I will ship them all out, but I can personally, you will get a personalized copy of my book to you. If you want me to address it to somebody, you can do all that right on my website. All right, you can also go to Amazon and buy it. Again, I can't sign it if you get the hardback, or you can get the ebook. If you go to my website and you want to buy the ebook, you can get to the ebook from my website as well, just in case you change your mind. Or you can get both. I know there's a lot of people who like to have the ebook electronically, like on your iPad and stuff, and then you also want the physical copy as well. You can do that also. I'm not mad at you. Please support. All right, but anyway, buy it on my website, you will get a signed copy. All right, buy it on Amazon, you won't get a signed copy, but at least you'll support and get the book. This is the first book, man. I really, I'm so proud of this, man. This is awesome. I'm already working on my second book. My second book is going to be very in-depth. I mean, it's going to be around like 500 pages. All right, but I'm not going to tell you guys what it's about, but it's definitely something that I do a lot of, all right, and that I have a lot to say of, and I'm going to break it down like you've never seen it broke down before. All right, so I am working on the second, my second book. The publishing that helped me with this, man, she was absolutely amazing. They really liked what I do. They didn't even know much about it, but when they saw it, it was like, yo, this is great. Like, this is great. So I'm already looking to do a second book with the same company as well, man. So I can't wait. This is basically the start of this. This book kind of got me in the door about writing as an author and going through publishing and seeing how this whole thing works. And it's something else that I wanted to add to my belt. Content creator, YouTube, podcast, portrait photographer, entrepreneur, like all that stuff. Now I can add author. You know what I'm saying? I'm really trying to hit every wicket in this thing as much as I can. I mean, I'm trying to drain this thing dry. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, my book is finally out. A lot of you guys who follow me knew I was coming out with a book. Well, the book is here now. Go get it. That's all I really got to say. I also want to say thank you for everybody who supported me. The Black Dish is doing amazing. I'm sorry, I know a lot of you guys asked about the Black Dish. The 40-inch Black Dish is out of stock right now. We are working to get that taken care of because tariffs, everybody knows about tariffs and what's going on. Tariffs has affected my company as well, trying to get stuff over here. Pricing, everything is kind of like increasing. And for an entrepreneur like myself, like that's a lot of funds, you know, trying to get my products back over here now. So I'm also dealing with that. So when you talk about a photographer who's dealing with everything, and I do it all on my own, it's a lot, all right? But anyway, I won't change it for nothing in the world because I want you guys to go along this journey with me. and I appreciate you. All right, until next time, man. Make sure you guys let me hear from you down in the comments, man. Go cop your book right now. I appreciate you guys. All right, and we're gonna keep this thing going, man. On to the next project. Trust me, I got a lot of stuff that I'm doing that ain't photographers out there ain't doing, and I'm about to do something else. You just wait. Oh, it's coming. I'm not letting up off this gas. Go get your book.